Welcome to Pindar Poetry. We hope you learned something new.
You start by focusing on the region where X approaches the target value. Zoom in so small-scale behavior is clear. Look for whether the graph approaches the same Y value from left and right. This tells you if a limit exists. Once done, mark any holes, jumps, or asymptotes and estimate the Y value they approach. Make sure to label the approach directions and record approximate coordinates to use in the next analytical steps. Now you refine the estimate by sampling Y values at successively smaller distances, like 0, 1 then 0, 0, 1 from both sides. This shows convergence or divergence. If both sides approach the same number, that value is your limit. If they differ, the limit does not exist. Once you observe a stable approach, use a tangent line or numeric table to confirm the value to more precision. Make sure to note any oscillation. Finally, state the limit clearly. If both sides match, write lim x right arrow at f x equals L. If only one side does, write a one-sided limit. You should explain why the graph supports that value, point to matching Y values as X shrinks. If the graph shows different left and right behavior, say the limit does not exist and give both one-sided values. Troubleshoot by increasing zoom or taking more samples. If uncertainty persists, switch to algebraic methods to confirm.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.